did a thing for myself, and I bought myself a cute birthday gift that I've been eyeing for the longest. So let's unbox it. The box is really big. The box is secured. I love a good dust bag, okay? Because everything stays in their dust bags and their boxes. So, I love a mini bag also. If y'all know me, y'all know I love a mini bag. I knew it was gonna be tiny, but I wasn't expecting it this tiny. Now, they don't have the mini ones in the store, so you just have to kind of eye based off the pictures online. I don't know. I wanted, I love minis, and I do like this one. I may get another one, but bigger because I'm probably gonna get another one, but a bigger size. So this is how it looks. I may wear it with the straps, and then for sure like this, actually I'm like, should I go back and get the big one? But the more I look at it, I'm such a mini purse girl that I feel like this is okay. Like, this is it. This is it. Y'all know I love a mini purse, so this is her, this is her, this is her. Now, I would say if I saw the size of the mini versus the larger in person, I probably would have went with the larger out the gate.